Yeah, can I have a number 5 with extra large fries and a strawberry milkshake, and maybe you can add in some what? Oh, this isn't a fast food restaurant. Oh, hey guys, welcome back to TutsByKai. I'm Kai, and today we are back once again with another video in the Uncut series, another Uncut video. So today we're gonna be making a nice little logo, vector logo in Inkscape, and I can't remember, but I think this is the first video we've done in Inkscape. I don't think I did a first impressions kind of thing, but I've used Inkscape for a long time and I love it. It's a very good program. I enjoy it. So the first thing we're gonna do is I'm gonna go to document properties, and we're gonna go ahead and actually it literally just put the box underneath my, okay, whatever, fine, forget that then. We're not gonna go to document properties, we're just gonna move over here. Alright, so I have a picture of an owl up on my second monitor, and I want to make something with an owl because I just really wanted to today. I don't know, I just did. So we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna start this up. I'm gonna use 2 circles here first of all for the eyes. I'm gonna hold down, what is that, control? Yeah, hold down control, make it a perfect circle. And we're gonna do one side of the face, and then we'll copy it for the other side because it's gonna be mirrored. So Inkscape doesn't really work like GIMP does, and you have to actually erase things you don't want in a really weird way. So I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna do like this. So I'm gonna create a little line here, and then just grab all of this, right? And then we'll hold down shift and select that, and then go up to difference. And now you can see it just cut that circle off like that. So that's what I need to do. That's what I have to do to cut everything. I can't just like erase that piece. But yeah, so it's another uncut video. So it's just gonna be like my process and kind of teaching you guys a little bit of what I do when I create things similar to this when I'm off camera or something. So we're gonna go in like that, and then make it a little bit thicker. There we go. All right. And you can also move these pieces if you use this tool right here, and just grab those points and then create something different. Now this is just a line, as you can see, so I want this to be filled in. I'm gonna go ahead and check this little fill, and then we can actually get rid of the stroke paint if you don't want that. That's creating that outline. So now it's just the fill. Always take that off of everything if you don't want the line. All right, cool. So that's that. That's the little eye coming down, I suppose. Or should I do I want to actually have it connected like that? Yes, I do. That looks so good. Okay, cool. And then I'm gonna create another little line right here for like just a little added detail. Yeah, like that. All right, cool. And then we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna start the beak. So it's gonna be kind of like this has to go straight down, so I'm not worried about it not being straight right now. I just need it to be over top of each other. So you'll see what I mean in a second. So I'm gonna undo the stroke, the fill, and then what we're gonna do is I'm gonna grab a rectangle, make sure it's locked onto that edge, like wait a minute, like that. There we go. And then we can select this cube, hold down shift, grab that piece, and then go to object difference. It's whatever's on top, by the way. So if it's not on top, then it's not going to cut it properly. I am going to do the same thing with this. So I'm going to right click this, duplicate, then I'm going to select the circle, then go to object difference, and now the circle is cut to that perfectionally. But I'm also going to move it up a little bit so we don't get that line. I just wanted it to be that same angle that it was cut on. So yeah, we only have one of those. Yeah, okay, cool. All right, yeah, this looks pretty good. I like this. I'm gonna move this up by holding down shift though, and I'm gonna move this one down. No, whoa, hold on. I'm gonna move this one down. I want the beak to be a little bit smaller. Then we'll move it up in general. All right, very cool. And I think the last thing I want to do is grab this, hold down shift, make a little line like that, and then go in about the same thickness of the line we created up here, and then just fill that in, and then stroke, 0, fill. There we go. All right, cool. So that looks really good. Yeah, I think that's everything. Do I want to actually maybe raise this edge like that? Oh, that looks cool. Hold on. Yeah. I usually like really straight lines and only straight lines, but I kind of really dig this right now for some reason. So we might just have to do something like this, and I kind of like that cut on the edge of the eye as well. That's pretty neat. I enjoy that. Pull this side down, pull that one up. Yes, that looks so cool. Sometimes you just got to do things like that. Now what would it look like if I did that with this piece, and then obviously subsequently this piece? No, that piece, like that, and then pull this down, and then this piece has to go down as well. This is a process, always a process here on the TBK channel, guys. There we go. All right, cool. Yeah, I like that. That's cool. Very subtle for this edge right here. All right, yeah, that looks really good. I like that. I like that quite a bit. Now I think I'm gonna do maybe one more line right here, and then we'll pull this out like that and like that. Just create a nice little edge on his eye. Stroke paint none, fill. All right, yes, that looks so cool. All right, I think for the rest of it, we might just have to do the rest of it once I mirror it. I'm gonna do the same thing right here. Pull this down, pull that down, stroke, 0, fill, and then we're going to grab, wait, from down here, I'm gonna do this, and then hold down shift, it's like that. No, not union, no, haha, almost tricked me. Path difference, and now this piece is cut to the same edge that one is. It's really great that things snap to the corners. That's really useful if you haven't been able to tell already. Yeah, I think that's it. I think that's all I want to do. Maybe I want to rotate this. Yeah. That's good. I like that. But the last thing I want to do is make a little hole in the nose, about like right here, I guess. Little triangle. And then we're going to stroke paint 0, fill, and then I'm going to hold down this. Actually, I'm going to need 2 of these, aren't I? So we're going to shift, right click, duplicate, hold down, shift, grab that piece, and then difference, and then grab the other one and grab this piece, and then, nope, that's the wrong button again. Grab that one, and then a difference. There we go. All right, cool. Yeah. All right, cool. So after that, we're just gonna go ahead and grab all of this, right click, duplicate, and what is the flip button right here? There we go. And then we're gonna hold down shift and just pull it over. And then we're gonna try and see if I can, there we go, get that to line up with the edge there. And now we have a owl logo, which looks really cool. I really enjoy this, it looks really good. Now I think the last thing I wanna do, of course, is I want this to be pretty much solid black, but I do really want some color in the eyeballs. So we're gonna go ahead and grab a little orange, a little circle, sorry. And we're gonna create another circle here. Actually, wait, I'm just going to grab this circle and duplicate it. And then we're going to, no, I'm not gonna do that. Never mind. I take that back. Yeah, we're gonna make a circle. Let's make a circle. Hold down Control there, I guess, a little bit. There we go. Like I said, this is just my process, so I don't need to go like super crazy with the details. But we're gonna do something like that. And then I should have did this before I mirrored it. That was so dumb. I'm gonna do this again. I'm gonna delete all this. And then we're going to mirror it again because I forgot that I wanted to do an eye. So yeah, we're gonna do this. Grab that piece. What do I want it though? Like right there, I guess. Maybe there. Yeah. All right, and I'm gonna do a gradient here. So we're gonna grab this little gradient tool and then put this little gradient tool and then check the little pencil. Move these around. I want it to be a different color down at the bottom actually. So we'll flip it. I want it to be yellow at the bottom. I'm looking at a picture of an owl and their eyes are really cool like that. So grab this piece, that one, and then make sure the transparency is up, yellow, something like that, I guess. Yeah. Maybe I want to do it from the out in, yeah, like that instead, because I think that it looks better like that. We're gonna do that, but we gotta flip these now though, so I'll just make that yellow, and then I'll just grab this piece, and then we'll make it orange. Oh yeah, it looks so much cooler. All right, awesome. Yeah. Very cool. All right. And then after that, I'm gonna create a new circle. So duplicate, and then just scale that down, I guess. And then we'll just make this solid black, of course. There we go. Let's leave it in the center because that looks kind of crazy. Maybe a little bit up, over to the right. Yeah. Cool. This is so good. And then I want to actually duplicate this eye again, move it down like that, put it underneath the black piece, duplicate it again, and then have that there. And then we're going to select the second ring, and we're going to make that ring just black, like that. Yes. But we're gonna grab both of those and then pull them down. Actually, wait, no, I missed a layer. I'll just, you know what I'll just pull the eyeball up, so down. There we go. Cool. All right, that looks good. Do I like the way that looks? Is there? Can I change? I can't change the number of this, right? It says 2 there. I'm not sure how to do. That's something I don't know how to do, actually. Is there? Let me know if you guys know if there's a way. There's a number 2 here, so I'm assuming that means that you can change the color. You can change the color because there's 2 different gradient points, right? I'm gonna assume that's what that means, but I don't know how to change it to make it 3. I don't know if you can do that or not. I'm not sure. Interesting. Oh. Okay, maybe that isn't the number of. Maybe you can do more than 2. I've never tried to do that before, so that's interesting. But we'll just leave it for now. It's fine. I don't really know if I like what I just did, so we're gonna undo that. There we go. We got the default back. It's simple and I like it. All right. So what else after that? Do I really quickly just want to? Yeah, we'll do that. So duplicate, scale it down, change it to white, and then I'm gonna create a little box. Maybe scale the box up a little bit, and then grab that, and then go difference, and now we have that nice little shine in the eyeball, maybe. Yeah, I like that. That's pretty cool. And what else do I want to do? Maybe not as bright. Yeah. That's definitely the way to go with it. This is the part where you're like, there's something else I want to do, but I can't figure out what it is. Dang. It always kills me when I do stuff like this. Let's just try this. Grab that. Fill that stroke. None. Where is it at, though? Is it behind something? No, it's not. What the heck, bro? We'll just undo that piece and we'll do it up here so I can see. Alright. That's gradient. That gradient. Fill. Oh, that's why, because I was on stroke. Oh, dang it. Gradient. And then we can pull the pieces out like that. There we go. That's what I'm looking for. On that piece. There we go. That's what I was trying to do the first time. Alright. And then pull that out. There's an ambulance outside. Pull that together there. Pull these so it kind of looks rounded properly instead of weirdly. Like that. And I like that, but it's kind of off though. Yeah. But actually I want to maybe put it up here instead. Yeah, that's cool. I like that. And maybe I'll do a duplicate one, and then I'll put it down here. Oh wait, what happened to the duplication? What, bruh? There we go. All right, and then we'll move it like this, rotate it around a little bit. You just click on it to get the rotation to come up, by the way, so you can see it's on the rotate now. Just click it, it'll go back to the scale. Click it again, rotation. Little quick tip for you. Yeah, that looks cool. I like that. Now I do want to really quickly make a little cut right here. Where's my little tool? There we go. A little cut right there in the nose, which we're gonna do. We're gonna duplicate this because we need 2. Select that. Path difference. Select the other one. Grab this piece. Path difference. There we go. All right, a little cut right there, just so it doesn't look like it's uniform. All right, now I think we can safely go ahead and grab all of this and then duplicate it, flip, and then we can go ahead and move this where it's supposed to go. There we go. All right, yes, that looks so cool. Very, very awesome. Love it very much. It's very cool. The thing is, do I want to change the colors in this gradient though? Like, because I feel like it doesn't change both of them. Gosh, it would have been awesome if it did. Just undo it then. I think there might be a way to actually do that. But anyway, yeah, that's gonna be it. I think this looks really cool. I really like this quite a bit. You can go ahead and select everything, and then we can go to, what is it? I believe it's Path Union. Yeah. Well, not Union. It's a different one because that makes it go away. I have forgotten. Clip group. That's right. Yeah, there we go. So right click and then clip group, create clip group, and then you can move it all together. And if you want to undo that, you can just do release group, and maybe not release group. Never mind. It's one of these. Ungroup. One of these undoes it. Gosh dang it. I can't remember which one it is. I could have sworn it was release clip. It's not doing it though. That's so strange. Wait a minute. What? I'm so confused right now. Okay, well anyway, I'll have to look that up because it's not working the way that it used to. But yeah, so that's pretty much that. I wouldn't recommend doing that right now then because it's not ungrouping itself. Okay, there we go. Okay, forget the clip group. Okay, there we go. So just go right click group, and then you can right click ungroup. There we go. That's what I was looking for. It wasn't set clip group. There we go. Okay, so group, and then you can ungroup it anytime. Cool. So that's our owl logo. That's pretty cool, right? I enjoy that. That's pretty sweet. I like that. Definitely looks like an owl. Definitely looks like maybe like some kind of gaming esports team logo, I suppose. I really like that. Very cool. But yeah, so that's gonna be it for today's tutorial. Looks really good on white as well. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. I hope you enjoyed today's uncut kind of like process, so you guys can see how I work. Maybe get something out of it. Like I love doing the series like this, so we can just just chill, have a nice time, and maybe learn some stuff. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Hope you enjoyed today's uncut video. I will see you in the next one. Peace out. But until then, bye bye.